Whenever it comes to snapping, just clicking on the magnet icon in the top bar will enable dots. However, you can also use the D helper to enable snapping. Just by clicking the magnet icon, it will let you know that dots is enabled. So by holding control and hovering over the surface, we see dynamic dots showing. A user pointed out that whenever you hold control and you press 3 in order to add subdivision, you would run into an issue with speed and performance. So this is something we sought to rectify in this update by attempting a speed up improvement. So hopefully this should resolve issues with adding subdivision and having the dots actually trigger a slowdown. If we press Ctrl Z, I can actually show a really interesting trick that came up as a result. So if we change over to circle and we were to hold control and hover over this front area and we press Ctrl 3, we've now turned this into a rounded shape. However, the dots are still showing for the simplified shape. So that means if I hold control, continue holding control, and I click and drag, I can now create a circle directly in the center based off those original snap points. So just an interesting byproduct. More than likely we'll be revisiting this topic in the future. It does remind me of a very classic feature I aim to bring back, but just showing you that it is something that we sought to resolve in this update.